Remember, first, listen to the text. Then, read silently. Next, read together with the narrator. Repeat the text as many times as you need until you feel like you fully understand it. Try memorizing the text and repeating it to yourself. Good luck. A day in my life, from sunrise to sunset. My day begins with a soft alarm sound. I get up and head to the bathroom to freshen up. My morning routine is simple but refreshing for me. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and shower quickly. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. I often have toast, eggs, fresh orange juice, and coffee. I leave for work at 8 o'clock, feeling ready. My job is interesting, and I love the challenges. My colleagues are friendly, and we work well together. My responsibilities vary, but I always have something to do. Lunchtime comes fast, and I usually have a salad. I enjoy my meal with colleagues, chatting and relaxing. After work, I return home to enjoy my hobbies. I love reading and gardening. They are very calming. Dinner is a family affair, filled with laughter and joy. We talk about our day and share our experiences. After dinner, we sometimes watch a movie together. I then spend time planning for the next day. Before going to bed, I read a book or write in my journal. Reflecting on my day brings me contentment and peace. My day is complete with good night wishes to my family. Each day is a blessing and a new opportunity for me. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into my daily life. Good night.